Cross-platform mobile development has evolved rapidly, and in 2025, developers are faced with a tough decision: React Native, Flutter, or Kotlin Multiplatform. Each of these technologies promises fast development, native performance, and wide platform support. But which one truly fits your project goals? In this video, we'll break it all down: use cases, performance, ecosystem, and real-world adoption, so you can make the right choice with confidence. Let's start with React Native. Built and maintained by Meta, React Native lets you use JavaScript or TypeScript to write mobile apps that work on both iOS and Android. Its main strength lies in its massive community, thousands of packages, and strong web-to-mobile continuity. With popular apps like Instagram, Facebook, and Shopify using it in production, React Native has proven it can scale to large apps, especially when paired with tools like Expo, React Navigation, and Metro Bundler. Flutter, created by Google, takes a different approach. It uses Dart as its programming language and comes with its own rendering engine. That means Flutter draws every pixel on the screen using Skier, giving it full control over how the UI looks on any platform. Flutter shines in building beautiful, highly customized UIs quickly. Apps like Google Ads, eBay Motors, and Alibaba have leveraged Flutter's consistent performance and modern design flexibility to great effect. Then there's Kotlin Multiplatform, also known as KMP, developed by JetBrains and backed by Google. Kotlin Multiplatform allows you to write shared business logic in Kotlin while keeping platform-specific UI layers. It's not a full UI framework like Flutter or React Native. Instead, it's a smart compromise for teams that want to maximize code reuse but still write fully native UIs. It's especially popular for teams already working with Android or Kotlin-based backends. Now let's compare performance. Flutter often leads here with its custom rendering engine, which avoids the performance quirks of native bridges. React Native has improved significantly with tools like Hermes Engine and JSI, but it still depends on a bridge between JavaScript and native code. Kotlin Multiplatform offers native performance since its business logic is compiled to native binaries, but the UI is entirely native, so it depends on how well your iOS and Android teams implement it. When it comes to developer experience, React Native is often the most accessible. It uses JavaScript, the most widely used language on the web, and benefits from hot reload, a vast NPM ecosystem, and familiar tooling. Flutter's developer experience is also top tier, thanks to great tooling in Android Studio, a built-in widget catalog, and the amazing hot reload it pioneered. Kotlin Multiplatform has a steeper learning curve and requires managing multiple platforms with shared modules, but it's incredibly powerful for Kotlin and backend developers who want tight integration. Let's talk about ecosystem maturity. React Native has been around since 2015 and has a large base of battle-tested libraries and third-party integrations. Flutter, launched in 2018, grew extremely fast and now has strong community support, especially for mobile and web. Kotlin Multiplatform is newer in the mobile world, but has gained traction in companies looking to unify Android, iOS, and backend logic. Tools like Ktor, Compose Multiplatform, and KMM bridge the gap between platforms effectively. Looking at UI design flexibility, Flutter is unmatched. Its widget system gives you pixel-perfect control across platforms. React Native offers flexibility too, but it relies on native components underneath, so platform-specific quirks sometimes sneak in. Kotlin Multiplatform lets you use fully native UI frameworks like SwiftUI and Jetpack Compose, which is ideal for platform fidelity but increases development complexity if you're handling both platforms yourself. So, which one should you choose in 2025? If your team already knows JavaScript or React, and you want a strong web-to-mobile transition, React Native is the best fit. If UI design precision, consistent rendering, and startup performance are top priorities, Flutter wins, especially for startups or custom apps. If your company has deep Android expertise or wants to share logic between mobile and backend services, Kotlin Multiplatform offers the most architectural power. Let's take an example. If you're a solo dev building a consumer app with beautiful UIs, Flutter will help you move fast with less boilerplate. If you're part of a large team that already has a web React stack, React Native offers easier onboarding and code reuse. If you're working on an enterprise project where backend and frontend need to share validation logic, Kotlin Multiplatform can offer unmatched efficiency, especially when your team already uses Kotlin server-side. And now the big question, how future-proof are these tools? React Native is getting big updates with the new architecture and turbo modules. Flutter continues to expand into desktop and embedded systems. Kotlin Multiplatform is becoming central to JetBrains' vision of unified app development. All three are here to stay, but your best choice will depend on your project size, team skill set, UI requirements, and long-term goals. To sum it up, React Native offers accessibility and maturity. Flutter delivers pixel-perfect UI with powerful tooling. Kotlin Multiplatform provides the most scalable code sharing and native integration. Choose the one that fits your team's strengths, not just the hype. If you want detailed tutorials on any of these platforms, let us know in the comments and we'll build deep dive guides for each one. If you found this comparison helpful, consider subscribing to Full Stack Dev. We dive deep into the tools, architectures, and real-world workflows that modern developers actually use. Don't forget to like this video, and check the description for links to official docs and starter templates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.